Well, hey, friends, how's everybody out there in YouTube land? We got something a little different for us today. We're going to listen to a weird sort of compilation here. Lucy Thomas and Eva Cassidy. Songbird. All right, let's jump into it and see what it sounds like. Look at the little thing going round and round and round. Weird. Here we go. God, Lucy's great. Oh, beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Oh, that was so sweet. That was so sweet. So well done. Once again, another perfect example about how Lucy can carry herself with anybody. She is without a doubt one of the greatest female vocalists of our day. Beautiful, beautiful song. Beautiful girls, beautiful song. What more could we ask, right? Okay. Give me your comments on this. This was an interesting little mashup. Yeah, I loved it. I loved it. I hope you guys did too. All right, let's find something else to listen to. Give us a thumbs up, ring a ding the bell, all that kind of fun stuff. Thanks, friends.